Okay, now we are going to take a start of your IELTS test. What's the name of your hometown?
I belong to Lahore, and yeah, my hometown is actually called Lahore.
Is it a big city or a small space?
I would say now it has become a very big city. In the past, Lahore used to be a small city, but with the expansion as the suburban areas, they have become the part of the city. So my hometown is rather large.
How long have you been living there?
I've been living here since my birth. In fact, my father migrated from a small town to this city, and ever since I've been living here, all my childhood, my teenage, and even until today, I am here. So I've been living here since my birth.
Do you like your hometown?
Obviously, I love my hometown because this is the place where I spent all of my time. Moreover, my hometown is quite vibrant. It's got quite a lot to offer, especially
Do you like living there?
Let me finish my answer. Okay, sir.